Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 9th. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss the structure of neuron, or we can say that nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. They consist of nervous tissue. It consists of densely packed nerve cells. These are called neurons. These neurons, they are present in the brain, spinal cord, and sinus organs. Function of neurons: they are specialized for conduction of nerve impulse or signals. These neurons, they receive stimulus from and within or outside the body, and they conduct signals which travel from one neuron to another neuron. Neurons are specialized for the conduction of signals or nerve impulse. They receive neuron receive stimulus from within the or outside the human body, and they conduct a signal travels from one neuron to another neuron. What is neuron? Each neuron, it is composed of three parts. Cyton. It contains major concentration of the cytoplasm and central nucleus of the neuron. Also, this cell body or cyton, it contains Nissl granules. Groups of ribosomes and they are rough endoplasm reticulum. Second part is dendrons. Short, they are short, much branched and tapering projections. Arising from the cell body. Dendrons further branch into dendrites. They further divide into dendrites. They provide a large surface for synaptic connection with other neurons. They conduct a neural impulse towards the body cell. They conduct carry signals towards the body cell cell body third part of it is axon. Axon क्या है cylindrical process. It arises from the axon hillock of the cyton. It shows fine branching at the terminal end. ठीक. It is meant for the transmission of neural impulses, from one neuron to another neuron. From one neuron to another neuron.